Welcome back guys to SudoZain channel. Today I wanna solve web scanning room, and this room using two tools, Nikto and Zap proxy. Let's go to first task. Okay, starting the machine. First one complete, just like deploy the machine, and I will wait until it run. Okay, it's run. Okay, it's running right now. So this room using Nikto and Zap proxy to scan the web server, this web server. But we can use other tools to like automated scanners to scan the web server, like Burb scanner and Mesos. Those automated scanner for general web application. But we can use automated scripts to scan a specific area in the web, like for if we have like input areas, it may be vulnerable to SQL injection, so we may use the SQL map. If you want guys, I may make separate video about that, but now let's start with first, in the second task. Okay, it's about Nikto. I have Nikto here right now. Let me sudo. Like if I wrote here in terminal Nikto, it will be like give me the help list. But if I write like -h here, full help text, okay, it's full. Okay, so let's go to the first one. What switch do we use to set the target host? Okay, so if we have like target host like that, we have like IP, how we can specify the target to the Nikto. If I write Nikto -h and I want grep from that list, like I want to find from that list host. Here we have -host. So here the form of the question like two letters, and here it's like dash and host. So I think if I write -h, it will work. Why? Because it's like shortcut of the -host. Let's go to the another one. How do disable secure transport? Okay, secure transport is the S in HTTP. So it's like SSL protocol that's like additional secure layer to the HTTP. So if I go here Nikto H for help list, and I write like I want to find SSL anything. Okay, no SSL. It's like disable it. So how do I disable? Okay, it will disable, yeah. How about the opposite? How do we force secure transport? So I want to tell Nikto just scan HTTPS, don't scan HTTP only. Okay, I have here, okay, SSL. If we want to set a specific port to scan, like if the web server have like port on 441 instead of 443, what I can do, I will also find port in the help list. Okay, here it is. It's easy way to okay, I think it's like host, host in the first question. So if I like -p, it will, it works. It's like shortcut of the dashboard. Okay, a database of vulnerabilities represent blah blah blah. How do we verify that this database is working? So if I want to check the database if it's working or not, I want to grep from the Nikto -h, which is list of help. I want to grep like database. Okay, I have here to check the database. I want to check, so it will work. Let me try something. If I want like yeah, nicto dash h and specify the, it will work. Okay, it will work. But if I try like that directly, okay, it will not working. No. If I want to try with H capital, no, it will not working. So it will works only with H lowercase. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, let's complete. Nick will try to guess and test both files within directories, blah blah blah, which is switch and numerical value do we use to set Nicto to enumerate username in Apache. Wow, okay, this question is weird. Why? Because it specified Apache server. So if I go to Nicto and I said, yeah, I want help list and I want Apache from here. Okay, there is no Apache. If I, okay, I have number 3, but it's not, okay. I have like number 3 is talking about enumerate usernames via Apache. So if I want to go to the list, I'm looking for number 3. No, it's like tuning. Other one, number 3. Okay, here, mutate. So dash mutate, number 3 will enumerate usernames via Apache. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, it works. No problem. Okay. Suppose we know the username and the password for a web forum. If we go here, what will happen? Okay, it's login page. DVWA. Okay. Damn vulnerable web application. Wow. Okay, here, suppose we know username and password for a web forum. How do we set Nicto to do a credentialed check? Okay, so if we have like a username with admin and the password is pretty awesome password, how we can use Nicto to check if that password is correct or not? Okay. Let me check here something. If I want to go to H help list and go to, I don't get anything, nothing. What about try guess? Okay, attempt to guess directory, no. Credential check, okay. If I want to looking for check, no, database check, not working. Credential, creds, shit, okay, that doesn't work. Oh yeah. We have here like, okay. We have here like the form of the answer is like 3 letters. Okay. I may cheating right now, but I want the answer. Wow, I got it. Yeah, dash ID. So dash ID, and it's form like ID, ID and password. That form. Yeah. So it will be like that, and admin. Pretty awesome password. Yeah. Okay. Let's scan our target machine. What web server do we discover and what version of it? Okay. Here I will use easy way, which is I have Wapalizer right here, and it's like tell me this web server is using Apache 247. So if I try Apache 247, it will work. But if I want to check it with Nicto, which is like H, no, sorry, I want this. What the hell? I want. Okay. Finally. Okay, stop here. I have here server. It's like Apache 247 Ubuntu. They're using server Apache. It's like operation system is Ubuntu. So we can find it with two ways, but Wapalizer is more faster. I love Wapalizer. Let's go here. This box is vulnerable to very poor directory control due to its web server version. What directory is okay? Let's complete the scan. I don't know why I stop it, but okay. We are looking for directory control. So directory we can control remotely because what directory is indexed? That okay. So that's like directory there. It's very poor. Okay, outdated. Root page redirects. Okay, it's normal, but it's outdated. Okay, not that bad. Let's wait and see what we will get. Here's hint. Should I open it or not? Okay. This directory allows for setting to potentially be changed remotely. Allowing for us to do silly things just removing the metaphorical lock from the door. Okay. It's like directory we can control remotely that found in this Apache server. So does Nikto can find it or not? I don't know. Nikto scans can take a while to fully complete. Which switch do we set in order to image the scan to end at a certain time? Actually, I want to do something. I want to like Nikto -h now. This h and the grep. This question asks about if we want the scan to end at a certain time. So we select the time and tell the Nikto stop and it will stop. I will grep like time and see what. Okay. Maximum testing, no. Timeouts for request. Run until, yeah, I think until will work. Okay. Here what we got? Okay, Apache outdated. Directory indexing found. Configuration information may be available remotely. Oh my god. Okay. It may work, it may not. I don't know. Let's see. Finally, okay. So it works. But wait, there's more. How do we list all the plugins are available? Okay, let the scan complete, and I will go to another tab and here looking for plugins. List plugins. It will list all available plugin that is in my database of Nikto. Let's see. Okay, it works. Oh my god, long question. Plugins represent another core component to Nikto, which should be used to instruct Nikto to use plugin checks to find out of data software on the So we want to use switch that tell us there's a plugin that checks find out of that date software in the target host. So if I want to go like Nikto list -2 list blah 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 plugins and from that I want to grep date. Okay, outdated. Here we have plugin called outdated, but if I write like plugin outdated, no, it will not work. What the hell, no. Use only the base command with out of date only. What they are like, okay, I remember. Okay. Plugins. Okay, I will use like plugins and use that one. Okay, it will work. Okay, so for the final question in the second task, finally, what if we would like to use our plugins to run a series of standard tests against the target host? So if I want like to Nikto, here I want list plugins. Let me see, here we have test host with the standard Nikto tests. Okay, so I want to select the plugin called test. It will work, I think. So if I want like to I want to select the host, which is try on Google. It's not working. Plugin. Okay, I think it will be with capital. Okay, yeah, so plugins with capital work. I'm not going to test on Google, okay, for sure, but plugins, and I will use test.